Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we got for you today? Well, for you regular viewers, some of you would have watched the video I did a little while ago on a Parker 51 in burgundy, and what I actually did, I customised the cap. Now that proved to be quite a popular pen, so what I've done, I actually found a Parker 51. It came to me in quite a sorry state, and what I've done exactly the same with this particular cap as well. Incidentally, what I'll do, I'll leave you a link to the burgundy Parker 51. Go and take a look at that. But what we've got here, nice and simply, as you can see, is a Parker 51 in teal blue from around about the 1950s. As I said, what I've actually done is customise the cap, because it did come to me in a little bit of a sorry state, so rather than scrap the cap, this is what I do, and I think the result is absolutely gorgeous. You'll see it's got this lovely textured effect to the touch here. Incidentally, all this has been hand engraved, and if I show you the bottom there, you can see I've actually done a little sort of cartouche, and I've kept the Parker name to the bottom there as well. Okay, so let's take you up to the cap there. Let's show you, let's give you a little bit of a close-up, let's give you a different angle. You'll notice it's got a lovely and the correct Parker arrow clip to the very top there. Okay, I think they come out absolutely gorgeous, and as I say, they've got this lovely textured feel to the cap as well. Now there you go, you eagle-eyed viewers, you'll see to the very top there, what I've also done is installed a lovely turquoise stone or semi-precious stone to the very top there, which sort of matches the teal blue of the pen itself. Now when I did the last one, some people actually said to me, ah yes, what did you do? Did you just simply glue the stone to the cap itself? The answer is no, I didn't. Now as it happens, I actually found a pen in the wild a little while ago, and this is what somebody's actually done. If you look at it there, you can see somebody's done, in my opinion, a bad job. They've simply glued some sort of a stone to the top there, and you can see all around it, you can see the glue. So in this particular case, they've simply glued the stone to the brass bushing underneath the stone there, and in my opinion, yeah, I think they've spoilt the cap, and what I'll need to do is drill it and basically just cut it out to maybe do something with that particular cap. But in this particular case, as I say, what I actually do, let's actually take the jewel out for you. You'll see I'm using my piece of rubber. There we go, so it's coming out as you can see there. So let's unscrew it for you there. Let's show you, there you go, you can see underneath you've got the bushing underneath, so nothing's glued to that. And in effect what I've actually done, because these particular jewels come to me with a flat sort of bottom if you like, and what I actually do, I'm hoping you can see that, I will actually carve into the bottom of the stone a sort of concaved recess if you like, and then what I actually do then is get the jewel that was in this pen, which incidentally this jewel also was, it had a chip or a piece broken from it, so that would have been sort of needed to be replaced. And well, if I just get another jewel, let's pop them together. They're very small these, so a little bit difficult to show you. So there you go, to the right there is the normal sort of Parker 51 jewel, and to the left is the one that I actually made. So what I needed to do, again, I carved a concaved section to the back of the jewel, and then I worked on the jewel itself, which again, it had a big chip out the side of it, so it was already broken. But I worked on the jewel, made it smaller, slightly sort of domed the jewel itself, and then epoxed it into the sort of concave recess of the stone. Okay, so I hope that's clear for you. So as you can see, a little bit more sort of time and effort was needed to cut out the stone to the back, to work on the sort of original jewel, and then epoxy it into place like it is now. So we'll screw that back into place. Incidentally, what I'll do off camera, before this goes to a new home, I'll just add a little dab of shellac to the threads, and that'll hold it a little bit more sturdy into place. But just to show you that no, they're not simply glued onto the bushing as some people think. There's a little bit more sort of work involved in the jewel. So there we have it. That's the customized cap. Let's take the cap off. Let's show you the pen in different angles. You can see, there you go, everything is lovely and clean. Let's show you underneath there. You can see the feed and everything, the collector inside. It's all been thoroughly cleaned. There we go, in lovely condition. Incidentally, this one is an aerometric filler. It's got a nice clean sat to it as well. But yeah, okay then, let's see how it writes. So what we do, we dip the nib or the shell, we press on this bar for you people that don't know. There we go. Twice will be fine. Let's give it a wipe. It's only for a writing sample to see how the pen writes, so let's pop that back on. Let's bring on our little pad and let's see how the pen writes. So what we have is a Parker 51. This one we're dating from the 1950s. As we said, it's in teal blue. With a custom cap. Writing very nicely. Nice and smoothly. There's no flexibility in these nibs. They're quite a hard nib. Incidentally, the nib on the pen is a 14 karat Parker nib. But a lovely, smooth writer. I would say it's writing, I don't know, maybe with a fine to medium line. Writing very nicely with a wet line, lovely and smooth as well. So there's your writing sample. Let's pop that to one side, and what we'll do, once we've finished the video, we'll flush the pen out, and there we go. I just thought I'd share this pen with you and share this lovely cap. Okay, there you go. As I said, everything that you see is done by hand. No machines involved or anything like that. You can see the Parker to the bottom of the clip there. And again, this lovely turquoise jewel to the top, which matches, I think, nicely with a teal blue barrel and hood. So I just thought I'd share this pen with you. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at it as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, see what your thoughts are. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, and if you possibly can, please support my work down below. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.